everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Hyekyong and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordi and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we're going to make kimchi fried rice. So kimchi fried rice is one of my favorite Korean dishes and it's super easy to make, and if you have well fermented kimchi at home, the taste is guaranteed.
Total success.
Back in Korea, whenever I feel like lazy cooking, I used to cook kimchi fried rice very often because I always had kimchi in the refrigerator. But this time is very special because it's my first time to make kimchi fried rice with the kimchi I made with the round cabbage that you can easily get here in India. If you haven't checked the video yet, please go ahead and check out how to make kimchi with the round cabbage. And also, if it's your first time, please make sure to subscribe so we can make more videos like this. So I have no idea how this kimchi fried rice will taste. Please stay around until the end to see the result, and let's get started. We're making kimchi fried rice. Kimchi fried rice. So these are all the ingredients to make kimchi fried rice. You don't need many, right? Of course, the most important thing is the kimchi. We still have a lot left. Last time we made cabbage kimchi and it still tastes fine. It's not spoiled or anything. So we're gonna use this to make our kimchi fried rice. And we have the rice. This time it's a little bit different. I'm using different type of rice, which is jasmine rice, and this one I made it a few minutes ago, and then the texture of the rice is very similar to the one I used to have in Korea, so I'm really happy about this. And we're going to put gochujang. I normally don't put gochujang when I make kimchi fried rice, but when I checked the recipe on YouTube, I saw some people use gochujang. So this time I'm gonna try to use a gochujang. And if you don't know how to make homemade gochujang, please check the videos right here. It's very easy and super tasty. And we need toasted, like roasted sesame seeds. This we're gonna use it as a garnish at the end. And then to cook, of course, you need a vegetable oil. I'm sorry, this bottle is a little bit dirty because we haven't cleaned it yet. One of the oil that we use often to make Korean cuisine is sesame oil. So to make kimchi fried rice, you also need sesame oil. Mostly we use it at the end just to have the scent and also the flavor. As a garnish, we're gonna also use this spring onion. We're gonna chop it and then sprinkle over it at the end. And then of course the egg, fried egg on top. And one more tip when you make the kimchi fried rice. Fortunately, I have this Korean seaweed product at home. It doesn't have to be Korean brand. If you have a seaweed at home, just roast it a little bit and then sprinkle over the rice, and it tastes really, really good. So we're gonna do that a bit later. Alright, so let's prepare the kimchi first. So let's cut kimchi into small pieces. I usually use scissors because it's very convenient. So what I do is just grab a bunch of these and then just cut with scissors, small pieces. Alright guys, so we are done. We have 1 cup of kimchi, and also good news is that I could find some kimchi juice, so we can also use this when we stir fry the ingredients. Wow, it's a lot. Oh my god, I hope we can finish this. Well, we will, because kimchi fried rice is yum. Even I can cut a bit more, but I still feel like this is not well cut. Smells legit. Now let's put the rice. Wow. And to prevent the bottom to burn, I'm gonna put just a little bit of water. Looks good! Wow, the color is quite
dark because the color of the gochujang is quite dark, so this kimchi fried rice turned out really dark, but I'm not sure how the taste would be. I think I can turn off the heat now. Everything is well cooked. Let's have a taste, and then if it's too spicy or if it's too much, I can put some more rice. So let's give it a try. Well, I haven't put the sesame oil and sesame seeds yet, but just to see if it's too spicy or not salty enough or something like that. I think it's very nice. I don't think I need to put more rice or for more gochujang or something like that. I think it's perfect now. Oh, it's very good. It's very good. Oh, nice.
This has become really crispy, and even the color is like brighter than before. So now we're gonna cut this into small pieces so we can put over the kimchi fried rice.
It looks really nice, but this seaweed is just all like stick together. I don't know why. So I have to remove them like one by one. But Jordi and I both love seaweed, so we're gonna put some more.
And last but not least, the fried egg.
Kimchi bokkeumbap or kimchi fried rice. Okay, I'm gonna try first the rice. Wow, it's very red, no?
Isn't it like dark?
It's usually dark, but I can smell a lot of the kim, the seaweed, right? Nice, very legit.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not too spicy. I mean, I like kimchi, I like spicy, but it's not too spicy. Then I'm gonna mix with the egg a little bit. Alright, kimchi bokkeumbap, kimchi fried rice with fried egg on top. Oh yeah. Oh man, really delicious. It's a very homey taste. I can say even homey feeling for me because Hyekyong used to make this one quite often at home. It's one of her favorite dishes to make, or
One of my favorite Korean dishes.
Wow, you know.
I know because I live with you, what, 6 years? Or
Because it's super easy to make. Yeah,
it's your favorite because it's easy.
exactly. Yeah.
Since this one is one of the easiest Korean food recipes that you can make, if you have kimchi, of course. I can understand you being a bit lazy or scared of trying the kimbap recipe or jjajangmyeon recipe, but this one is pretty easy.
And you cannot tell the difference of the taste because I put something that I usually don't put.
Okay, I know there is kimchi for sure. I don't know what is this dark thing. The seaweed, some green onion. There's no ham, there's no meat. Usually sometimes kimchi fried rice, they have some ham, spam, even bacon sometimes. I like it with bacon.
The hint is the color is darker than the one that I usually make.
Dark miso?
Gochujang!
Ah, okay.
So I normally don't put gochujang, but this time I tried it. And do you feel a bit difference from the normal kimchi fried rice? Because I use the cabbage kimchi, the round cabbage kimchi.
Flavor-wise, I think it's the same. I would say maybe less watery or liquid. I mean, sometimes the kimchi has a bit more releasing liquid. This one is a bit more dry. This one, I can say, total success.
I'm glad to hear that.
Now it's your turn.
Can't wait to try this. Cheers! The seaweed. I'm so glad that I found this seaweed in the supermarket This makes the flavor totally different and it's super nice. Oh my god, this is so good. The salty and sour flavor coming from kimchi and also a little bit sweetness coming from the gochujang, and then the texture of the fried egg all combined really nicely. It's such a simple food, but it had so much different things to enjoy in one dish. That's one of the reasons I really like kimchi fried rice.
Is there anything you would change now that you made it? Is there anything you put more or less, or?
I think it's quite mild, so I think I could sprinkle a little bit of even like the pepper powder.
Pepper flakes, gochugaru,
Gochugaru, yeah, exactly.
Kashmiri.
Oh yeah, it has to be Kashmiri. I learned the lesson, guys. Guys, please try it. The cabbage kimchi you made at home, try this. It's really simple. Try it. Delicious, really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode until the end. If you like this episode, please click like, and if it's your first time, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the notification bell. And if you want to help support our channel, you can also become a member of this channel and you will get exclusive benefits. Alright, so I will see you guys next time. Bye! 안녕!
These are all the ingredients you need to make kimchi. And you can just eat like this. Be careful with your finger when you and it's yum. It's good. Oops. So these are all the ingredients. To make kimchi fried rice.